Welcome back to another video. Today we got a video how to upgrade the Portland pressure washer, add a foam cannon to the Portland pressure washer. Don't forget to smash the like button, hit the subscribe, hit the bell for more reviews to deals. Alright, you basically take the wand from this pressure washer, the wand from the Portland pressure washer and the Ryobi are basically identical at the tips. So you guys see, this is the Ryobi, this is the Portland. So what you do is just take the Ryobi, just put it in there and just twist it like the other one. And the Ryobi, it's an upgrade because you have this quick connect. Alright, you unlock it like that. It's basically a quick connect. You can connect it from there like that, like so. And it's just real hard. Okay, and that is a quick connect from the Ryobi wand. And what you can do is you can just connect this, use that, and connect this to this, and then you got a foam cannon with the Portland pressure wash. And it works really good. It works just like my Ryobi. This is my cousin's. He just got this. I'm just doing this video. He let me borrow it so I could do this video. But I'm doing this video because I already got the Ryobi parts. You can get this Ryobi part online on eBay or Amazon. So definitely recommend this upgrade for you guys. It looks pretty good, as you guys can see. This foam cannon is from Amazon. It was about 15 bucks. So it's definitely a great item, a great upgrade for this pressure washer. Even if you're not going to put a foam cannon, this is just a great upgrade because you can switch out the tips, you know, from a narrow tip to a wide tip. So that's basically a great upgrade you guys could do. Anyways, just thought I want to share this with you guys. Don't forget to smash that like button, hit the subscribe, hit the bell for more reviews to deals, and we'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.